Nasasabi mo lang yan.
daw sabi niya eh. Doon daw sa Red Red. Lagi daw sila nag-aaway.
Ganda daw.
Ganda dito!
Anong tawag nito?
Sabi ni Alex 10 minutes.
Picture mo ka dito. Seaside eh. April! Ayun na, magtapos.
Ayun, in-order niya yung promo.
Live. KFC na lang mas maganda.
Okay, kayo na lang daw.
Araw-araw ang na-deliver. Hindi yan frozen. Hindi ka tulad na.
Kayo.
Asan si April? April! Yung sa baba na.
Yung ano, yung 69.
Magandang cellphone.
Ba talaga pag may
We order chicken.
Dapat nga, bilisan natin para may picture tayo dun sa dagat.
Oo,
Buy
dapat
him ice cream, cake, and then we're gonna buy him a new dress because it's Adriel's birthday. Right? Right, Meow Meow?
Yeah.
It's
I
gonna be
will
my
pick
daughter's
more.
birthday, so we are spoiling you on Adriel's behalf, okay?
Two
Because
color,
Adriel
two
is not
tone.
here.
See, I think he's angry, see? Tail,
Yeah.
about to fight.
You're about to buy
About
that, then
to-
we are spoiling you. It's Adriel's birthday.
we
Don't-
giving you food and then you're about to fight with us?
No, don't do that.
So cute.
na American resident. Pagkaroon sa Orange County,
Sino siya?
pero dito siya sa friend. Namiss ko sa Mimosa.
Ang ganda dun.
comedy guys, comedy.
Kaya, ituloy mo yung pagiging piki mo. Sige. Gago to. Paano yung pilay?
You can buy them.
Oy, Alex, paano yung piki? Yung piki. Ano yung piki? Gago ka. Gago. Gago.